Power target trades, power trigger trade. Alright people, I got a great video here about BA. Again, another winning plan here for BA. Now this was a plan that I posted for all my followers to witness the power of power trigger trade and the big picture expert once again making big gains. And let's take a look at this for documentation purposes. Let's take a look together people. Alright people, so here we are inside of the plan. Here it is, May 17. What did I say here? BA is set up to test 359 to 360. I will explain the facts and the options inside the video. That's right, people. Power trigger trade. Power trigger trade. That's right, people. So BA needs to. I will explain. That's exactly what I said. I told people if you want to know, but I gave the heads up here. And look what I left here. Look at the options here. Look how much they were. $800 at the time. Okay, people, let's go see the confirmation inside of PowerGroupTrades, just like I promised inside this video. But this was the heads up. And who was correct? The big picture again. Yours truly, Power Trigger Trade. Not the stock clown. Not the clowns who said BA was too high at 200, at 240, at 280, at 300. You catch my drift, people. You catch my drift. Power Trigger Trade. All right, people. Here I am, side of PowerGroupTrades. BA confirming with the June 15, 345 calls at $960 based on the power of price over 347. One can wait. Also, wait for power over 348. So that's right, people. So if someone, and here I posted BA, the June 15, 345 calls cost $10.30 on confirming at the 348 level. So people, I gave the heads up on May 17. For all followers to witness the power of power trigger trade. Power trigger trade, people. And let's take a look at the end results of the options today. Again, greater than 100% gains on large priced options. Faster than anticipated, people, because I am. It's power trigger trade. Not stock clown wrong spices 225. It's the power trigger trade era. Nobody, and I mean nobody, has been more correct than power trigger trade. Nobody! Alright now, people, let's take a look. Alright, people, here we are at Yahoo Finance, and here you are seeing the close BA at $363.92. Let's take a look at the options together, people. Alright, here, people, I scroll down. See here? May 21st. Oh, stock clown. Look at the massive gains. $2,100.90. That means, people, that if you just held to close greater than 100% gains on large priced options, I decimated all my haters. All those that jealous the big picture expert have been mastered again in BA once again. I want to show you some more powerful proof. Come with me, but take a look, people. Power trigger trade. Again, who documents stuff like this? Who makes the videos? Who does it? Nobody, people. Nobody. Let me show you, people. Let me show you. All right, people. Welcome to Power Trigger Trade. Confirmation is key. That's right, people. I posted this, as you know, inside my video. Poor stock clown. Now, people, see this? You should subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? That's how you learn how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. Look, I've told people multiple times, come to my live streams, listen to my lives. If you don't listen, you will fail to make the gains. All right, people. Now, let's go together, people. Let's go to Power Target Trades together right over here. Here. Now, when you come here, you're going to see a welcome screen of yours truly, Power Trigger Trade. Listen to this video. It's a great video. It's a great video. Oh, well. All right, people. Welcome to Power Trigger Trades. Confirmation is key. That's right, people. The big picture expert does it again. Oh, stock clown. Oh. Anyways, people, inside of this created playlist, you want to study it. I keep telling people. Inside of here, people, there are videos on BA plan. All right, people. If you want to understand who the big picture expert is, yours truly, I've been talking about BA. You want to see my last huge gains? Look at 300% gains. See this over here, BA? I made a lot of plans, but inside of this created playlist, you're going to see a lot of great things like the FedEx gains and the Costco gains and the BA gains. all about the companies that matter. See, the stock clown can't do this stuff. Wrong, BA, since 200. You follow people. This is where big picture cannot be tocata. Too many people, small-minded scalpers, you're going to make baby bucks compared to yours truly, the big picture expert. People. All right, people. So that you got to look over here. Like you click into this box over here, and it'll have the list where you can look at my BA. You got to go inside my creative place. You got to click around. You know, there's different roles here. You want to talk. You want to see me talking about the SPY. You know, when everyone was bearish, the SPY, April the 14th. Do you know what I made? I made a video explaining the big picture. And what's happening again, people? What's happening? Nobody, not Peter Brett. Nobody is the leader like yours truly. PowerGroupTrades, helping the people with all types of size accounts, making money in large cap companies with options. This is high skill, not little baby penny skills, baby penny trader skill, big picture skills, all very easily seen. All right, people, listen. Enough of me bragging here. Check out my by the way, come with me. Let's go together. Come here. Here's my website, PowerGroupTrades. Oh, you want to see this Google help? You know what? Great gains Google help. $500 options to 4K. People, you want to see this story? Come beautifully displayed here on my website. People, study this. One of my followers did so good out of free will, want to send me $1,000. People. PowerGroupTrades, people. PowerGroupTrades. Power. All right, people. If you don't have a YouTube account, get one. Subscribe manually. If you have one already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe. You're going to see a picture of me in a circle format. At the end of the video, you're going to see me talking to you one-on-one. Yours truly, PowerGroupTrades. I love these gains that I made, and so did my followers. PowerGroupTrades. Thanks for watching. Let's see what I say, people. And don't forget to subscribe because I do live streams. All right? PowerGroupTrades Samuel here, the big picture expert. You want to study my creative playlist on the bottom of my YouTube channel. You also want to subscribe. A lot of great information here on PowerGroupTrades. You can also find my website link. And don't forget, there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like